All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 3. So I wanted to do some quick instructions just to show you where everything is. So I'm looking at the classwork page where we have our famous attendance question. We're up to the 3rd or 4th round. Ooh, dead heat so far. So make sure you do that before midnight tonight to be here for the day. Next blank down. So this is the form to sign in with for a ticket to office hours. So you sign in there, and I will send you the link to join the meeting because it's the first couple days. If you don't get a chance to do that and you still really want to, just send me a comment. I'll send you the link. I'll make sure you are able to get in if you have a question. Week 3 assignments. You'll notice there's only 2. We're still going to do the performance, and we'll do the context. That's the Nearpod that we do. Because it's only a 4-day week, because you don't have school tomorrow, it's an in-service day, I decided to cut it down a little bit shorter, so we won't do the listening assignment. And we won't do a rough draft. We'll just save your performance for Friday. Now, if you want to turn it in early, I will grade it early and give you feedback, and you can redo it. So rough draft optional, we'll put it that way. Okay, so rough draft optional for performance. Resources are in the practice guides. You'll see all the videos that you saw the first time. Lead sheets are here. Just wanted to mention with the reference recording. So I kind of was practicing some nerdery skills. So I made the reference recording using Elvis's original recording of Hound Dog, but added in some extra stuff that might help you practice. Okay, so first is there's a count in, so you're going to hear 8 clicks on the cowbell before you start playing. So you wait to the word hound. Okay. So the other thing I did, if you practice this with headphones, I put all of the drum sounds on the right and all of the guitar and piano sounds on the left. Okay, so if you're practicing the drums, you can just wear just your right earbud or headphone or whatever you're using, just the right side, and you'll hear very focused exactly what you need to do. If you're doing the other one, then you just can switch. Or if you want to hear everything, you just wear both. Okay, so I have it panned out. Drums on the right, chords on the left. You can practice with that. Also, just make sure you're doing exactly that much of the song. This should be much shorter than last week on purpose, okay, to make it easier for you to do, okay? There's only 12 measures, only 12 bars, only one time through the verse, and you'll be done. All right, so if you have questions, remember, question form on the bottom there. Flipgrid is still open. Padlet, send comments, sign up for office hours. Have a great day on Tuesday when you don't have school, and let me know if you need any help. Have a good week.